tournament is complete, reviewing and sharing results shouldn't take extra work. That's where Tournament Summary in TKD Tracker comes in. From inside a tournament, tap Tournament Summary to open a single, consolidated view of all finalized events. For each event type, you'll see podium placements, final scores, and points earned. Sparring events also include final results and match paths. The summary is fully customizable. You can choose a simple podium-only view or a detailed view that includes all participants. You can also reorder events or hide events you don't want included in the report. Tournament Summary can be filtered by champion, making it easy to focus on a single athlete or view results for everyone. When you're ready, you can share the summary or export it as a PDF, with optional brackets included for sparring events. That's how TKD Tracker helps you keep each athlete's progress clear and organized. Score it, track it, share it.